Hey guys, it's Brandon, and I'm back at it again with a long-awaited Pomp's Not Dead review. And I actually did this review once before, but I accidentally deleted it when I was putting stuff in my iCloud. And that is the Pomp's Not Dead, the shape of Pomp to come. Now, what makes this unique is that this is Edwin's of Pomp's Not Dead's first attempt at a water base. And what he was going for is something that is the water-based counterpart to his OG oil-based. If you haven't tried OG, I suggest you go out and get a tin. It's a classic oil-based with a good scent. It's like a coconut clear water type cologne scent that is just really versatile as a medium. And that's what he was shooting for with this water base. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, the design on this is awesome. As you know, Edwin is a fan of like horror and pop icons, pop culture, I should say. Punk icons, though. And this is from the band's The Refuse album, The Shape of Punk to Come. So it's kind of like a tribute to that in that regard. It's got some pictures on the front, much like the album, and then on the back, instead of the track listing, it has the ingredients, which are distilled water, beeswax, emulsifying wax, hydrogenated castor oil, mango butter, stearic acid, soy wax, avocado oil, castor oil, Opafin Plus, I always say that wrong, vitamin E, and fragrance oil. Now, this is, by reading the ingredients, you can tell that this is on the waxier side. But when you dip in, you'll find that it's much different in consistency. Opening it up, you can see, oh, sorry about the hair. You can see that it's just a white color. The scent on this is, it's like a nice cologne. It isn't exactly like his OG. If you've smelled his OG, it's like I said, it's like a coconut clear water type cologne. This is more of like just a straight out cologne scent. It's still really nice, and it's different enough that you can you know, tell them apart. The scoopability on this is really easy. Doesn't take much, and it comes out creamy, kind of like cake batter. Breakdown on this, for it being a waxier product, isn't bad either. You can see just with some warming up, it kind of turns into that white color on your hand, which I really like pomades like this, because then you can tell when you're putting it in your hair, kind of like if you got all of it applied or not. Application of this is really easy too. No tugging and pulling, as long as you break it down into kind of like that cream consistency like I have here. You, for me, I put in about, I would say, 2 big scoops to get the hold that you're looking for, depending on your hairstyle. If I was to use this when I had longer hair, I would say 3 scoops, but all in all, you don't need a lot, and the application is really, really easy. Slicking it back, you can see I kind of already started, but there isn't any sort of like tension really. You can tell that because this is a waxier product, you'll feel your comb run through it, and you'll be like, oh, there's something definitely thicker in my hair, but you're not gonna feel like this is ridiculously over the top or overbearing when you're slicking it back. It's actually really nice, and there's not a lot of tension in it. Styling, I'm gonna use this one with the Afro pick. This stuff has, for a medium, really good hold, so I can get that volume and not worry about kind of like my hair going crazy. You know, with a shorter haircut like this, I've always noticed, depending on if you're using like, well, if you're using like a matte paste or anything like that, you got to be careful when you're styling your hair, because you can get some serious volume, and then if your hair is on the shorter side, or if it doesn't connect, if the top doesn't connect in the back, it's really hard to keep your hair down. Anyways, haircut topic aside, styling with this is really easy because it comes off as a thicker, slicker product. It definitely is easy to get volume, but it has some good stick to it, and it has a good feel in the hair, so you can definitely get like a nice little pomp going like I got right here. Kind of like a mini pomp, and not have to really worry about it. When I think about this product when I'm using it, and I don't really, you know, I don't think I need the boar hair. When I think about this product when I'm using it, what it really resembles, like I said at the beginning of the review, is Edwin's OG. It's like a water-based version of it. It definitely has a nice medium hold. It'll give you good volume, good shine, easy slickability, easy to put in the hair, and a good scent with minimal effort, as you saw. You can get a nice round pomp, and I mean, this was just quick. I could definitely finesse this for hours if I wanted to and get like a really perfect one, but I'm at work, so I don't care if my part's perfect or whatever. But what I'm saying is that with minimal effort, you can get a really nice style for a water base. It doesn't come off waxy at all, and if anything, the way the ingredients are combined, it actually uses the wax while retaining the good qualities of like waxier products, but keeping it very pliable and very easy to slick and use. So I guess I kind of already went into what are my overall thoughts on this. It's great. It's a perfect rendition of what I would say a medium should be as a water base. When you're using it, it comes off a lot like OG. That's why I was comparing to it. It's slick, easy to use, easy to style with, easy to pretty much easy all around. It smells good, it pairs good. If you're basically looking for a new pomade to get into, that's like you're kind of new to water base, but you like oil base a lot, this is a good product to start off with. It's kind of like, it kind of feels like a hybrid almost. If you're familiar with Edwin's OG and you really like that and you wanted to give a water base a try, give this a shot. For me, this is his second iteration of a water base. I tried his first one, so this is his final form, and he improved upon his original water base in so many different ways, making it so much better. And in regards to what he was going for with this product and how it turned out, I think it's absolutely perfect. I have to give this a 5 out of 5. This is great. It trying to be a counterpart to OG in the water-based form. It does it with flying colors. It succeeds. It has decent endurance, what you'd expect out of a medium. It's slick, easy to restyle. I mean, if you're at work, you're gonna have to restyle, especially if you're doing like a heavier type job like me. But it's very versatile in regards that it can be used at work with minimal restyles, I feel like, and it can be used out on a date. It can be used just anytime. So as an overall product, I think it's perfect. I really can't think that Edwin could expand upon this product anymore. I mean, he could add different scents, but I think the scent is perfect just the way it is. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any more questions or whatever. You can put them in the comments below. Oh, and also it washes out with one wash. It's really easy, so it doesn't retain the wax that you would normally expect from a waxier pomade. Washes out easy with shampoo and conditioner. Side note. Let me know if you've tried it. I hope you have a good one, and yep.